Hey Ongagers! Today we're going to learn how to create audience segments on the Ongage platform. Let's go! Segments are a way of defining a target audience that you want to address in an email or SMS campaign or event. For example, you may want to send a campaign with a special promotion to theater goers in New York City or London, or maybe gaming enthusiasts in North America. The options are endless and you have full control to create virtually any targeted audience you desire using the Ongage segments. So, we start by clicking on the segment menu item. This will take you to the segment dashboard. Here you can find a list of all the segments previously created in your list. From here, we click on the New Segment button. This will take you to where you can find a list of all of your custom list fields as you've set up in the list settings, such as email, first name, last name, and even the phone number. Also, going back to the fields that you can include, you also have the Ongage system fields, like the create date field, which is the date a contact was added for the first time to a given list. Here, you can also find behavioral criteria, such as sent, opened, or clicked. These are the type of interactions that you want the client to have made with your campaigns to get into the segment. For instance, you can set it to sent or not sent, opened or not opened, or clicked or not clicked. Whether you're addressing an audience of clickers or excluding an audience of non-openers. Now let's take a look at an example segment. Let's say we want to create a segment of people who are New York City theater goers who clicked on your past campaign. Let's call them NY VIP clickers. We can also give it an adequate description, like VIP contacts from the state of New York that have clicked in the last 30 days. Now we choose the state field to New York, and we choose the VIP field of your customer to yes. Note that you can choose either an or for each of the criteria to set if you want both or just one of the criteria to be matched. Now you can choose clicked in the last X amount of time to decide how much time you want for that interaction to have happened. And now you can just click on save. Ongage segments are rule-based, meaning that they are dynamic and not static lists. Contacts will move in and out segments automatically based on how each contact matches the defined criteria at the time of when the campaign is processed just prior to its ending. And that's it. This is the way that we create audience segments on the Ongage platform. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. For more questions, make sure to keep watching more videos.